it's the best thing for this horse at this point. Who knows? Well, it's just good to change things up. Now keep your hands moving. Okay. All right, Stephanie, I'm going to get you right now. And this is going to be worth its weight in gold to you. When Stephanie or any of you is within a maneuver, okay, almost all of us have a tendency to initiate. Maybe we're using some feel to initiate, but during the maneuver, our hands die. And Stephanie, here's to you, honey, and that is why you get the head throwing reaction with this horse. Okay, so if you get this to start, keep this going even though you're changing angles, okay? Keep your hands moving, keep swimming, keep swimming, keep swimming. Now start using your leg, but keep swimming, keep swimming. Okay, I swim faster. As it starts to go up, okay, being as you're going slow for a good reason. The reason we're going slow is so that we can fix a wreck or a glitch or a bad thing as it occurs. If you're going fast, you can't. It happens too quickly. So go real slow, a step at a time, so you can have perfect. Right leg. Now, keep your neck down, slow. Okay, Steph, that, again, you kind of went a little fast the last step. Hey, let's do something like a perfect ride. So you go to the house and say, I had a perfect ride. It is like, it's in the bank. You locked the vault behind you. You put perfect information, and you got perfect communication and perfect results. Not that level, any level.